Alright everybody, the time for Saturday Scribbles is here, and this week we will be doing some found photography art, and it's really simple. You just take old photographs, they can be your own, preferably if you're going to be posting them, you should probably only use public domain or copyright free or public use copyright items. These photos came from the Library of Congress public domain, and you can easily get them online and print them off. And basically all you do, at least for my tutorial, is just doodle on them. You can go in and paint them, turn them into something really extravagant. You can turn them into collages. You can, shred them up into little pieces and do whatever. So there's a lot of possibilities, and so that makes it really fun. I chose this picture because this goose just looks crazy to me. Like, not even real, but apparently it's totally real. And it was called a Floridora goose, which doesn't sound like a real name, but I'll leave that for you guys to find out. And I tried to just be silly with it for the most part. I went in and scribbled some feathers, and I gave some little blushies here and there and some little attitude marks. But yeah, mostly I just wanted to have some fun with it. I don't know what the neck thing is going on. It kind of looks like the top of those fancy boots from back in the day, but it's cute. And some people with the found photography, they may just focus on the clothing and just go in and doodle the clothing. Or they may just focus on the background. The background for both of these photos is super dark, and I could have gone in with a white gel pen and it would have showed up fine, but I chose to just focus on the lighter parts of the photo. So for this one, I just kind of doodled on her dress a little bit, and I doodled on her arms and on the dog. Just really simple, but you can go in and do crazy zentangle patterns if you want to. Of course, you know how it is when you're drawing something and you have all this inspiration, and then you start drawing and you're like, wait, how do I draw that again? And you don't want to go back and figure it out. So anyway, this is what I ended up doing, and I hope that you enjoy. Thank you.